In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Business Profile Appeal tool. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you're able to navigate it with ease. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Business Profile website. Open your browser and type in the URL business.google.com/us/business profile. This will take you directly to the home page where you can start managing your business profile. Once you're on the page, you'll notice a menu bar situated beside the Google logo. Hover your mouse over the option that says Get Support. This is your gateway to the tools you need today. As you hover over Get Support, a pop-up menu will appear. Click on Get Help to proceed further. This is crucial as it guides you to a more specialized section where assistance is focused on business needs. A new page will load and you'll want to locate the Help Center option. Click on that to access the resources available to you. In the center of the Help Center page, you'll notice a text box. Click on it and type in Appeal Business Profile Content and Profile Restrictions. This search is going to lead you to essential articles and guidance related to appeals. Once the search page is fully loaded, locate the first article that appears and click on Read More. This article will provide comprehensive information on how you can send an appeal. This is a key resource because it outlines the entire process and what is expected from you during this appeal. Within this article, you'll find a section titled Submit an Appeal. Look for a blue button that says Submit an Appeal. Depending on your country, you might either click on this button directly or refer to a table below that lists options specific to your region. After clicking the Submit an Appeal button, you'll be directed to a verification process. This step is important to confirm that you are authorized to make appeals on behalf of the business. Once verified, you'll be prompted to select the business profile you wish to appeal by ticking the checkbox next to it. Make sure this is the correct business profile before you click Continue. If your business page was taken down by Google, it should appear on this new page. Continue with the process, ensuring you have any evidence or proof necessary to support lifting the strike. This evidence plays a pivotal role as you will have 60 minutes to provide it through a form once your appeal is in process. Finally, it's crucial to make sure that the evidence you submit is appropriate and directly supports your case. Approving appeals relies heavily on the evidence furnished, so double check everything before submission. Following these steps will help make the appeal process straightforward and hassle-free. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Google Business Profile appeal.